abeka kire Ghana fo ni na say Nyankopon say John Mahama ene betumi aye den ama Ghana edi yi na ono ojina as nyamebofo seden na ebisa enye wona afi bi atwam wo se na ekufu adode ede ba ne sen na samo a wo kan se eye na esesan kana na ado no mu si asore ma no na ado no mu ensi sa asore no enti wadwa endra me nam social media na mikonya
Owusu for me mama nyina makwa about the Ghana and CMTV so but money so like video no be subscribe to the channel no attend on notification that next time videos of this channel also submit to make say munyam no de bia no if me Mr. President to for Mr. President and just somehow sa wadaroma na but money so like video no subscribe to the channel come on my for you by chance you would want to contribute to our studio work sir being it sound internet lights everything but you reach out through number and that's you yes sabe can be there was so na Owusu
mo say mo be continue I like you be jina say wa already or flag enya ne de obi sha say o enya ne de nti no almost start a report na so keep pushing it it's not going to stop us but I say I don't make us so for me kwesi apia dem aka tram se nkuraduru kura no woni bi nkuraduru a friend nkuraduru sa so for no woni bi ma me kwesi apia utie na twade adan na so for a wo se moja any case ewa mahama so ebe twa nani all of a sudden abeka kire Ghana fo ni na say Nyankopon say John Mahama ene betumi aye den ama Ghana edi yi na ono ojina as nyamebofo seden na ebisa enye wona afi bi atwam wo se na ekufu adode ede ba ne sen na samo a wo kan se eye na esesan kana na ado no mu si asore ma no na ado no mu ensi sa asore no enti wadwa endra me nam social media na mikonya some toy program bi ana ekoso na me hwe ya na me so we di home match na me se ma me famre mu na musumu obi antie bi we Emmanuel Bedukobi against Isaac Owusu Bempah round 1 fight yanko
you were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you? Sheep man. And now you come and say the president's come me. What a shame to even let this come from your mouth. No president help me. I built my auditorium.
Muntie, Bedukobi said Bedukobi to go say. Sofu Bedukobi and then the man from Sofu. Sofu Bedukobi, who say in Changa, Subaya then, who say in Changa then, Yanko.
You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you.
Hey.
What kind of man of God are you?
Jesus Christ.
Sheep man.
Oh.
And now you come and say the president's come me. What a shame to even let this come from your mouth.
Oh.
No president help me. I built my auditorium.
How much?
No president help Bodi Yamiche. He built his auditorium.
Hey.
No president help other men of God. They build that. Only you want a politician to build for you.
Hey.
What a shameful man. Disgraceful man.
Oh.
You are getting money buying cars. Doing nonsense things.
Hey.
In the auditorium, waiting for a political party. What a shame. And his followers will never say something which is right. Nonsense.
Oh. Target. Akesi ani je akesi ani je. Esi ani je akesi ani je. Lord Kenya ha. Asiaka. Musa Nkubio round 2. Monko Osere.
You were waiting for a political party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you?
Hey.
Sheep man.
Hey, Debbie.
And now you come and say the president's come me. What a shame to even let this come from your mouth.
Oh.
No president help me. I built my auditorium.
La ilao.
No president help Bodi Yamiche. He built his auditorium.
Aila lao.
No president help other men of God. They build that. Only you want a politician to build for you. What a shameful man.
Auntie Baumia will not be president in Wentia.
Disgraceful man.
But we have the president, my action is any.
Buying cars.
Na me pen. What's it then? So for what's it then?
Disgraceful man.
Disgraceful man.
You are getting money buying cars. Doing nonsense things.
Oh, there be so for penny in Kasasa. Are or you nyame nipa. Are na wo ye Papa Bempah sa. Papa Bempah. Akwa Jimmy. Hey, Nanado, nyame auti asiu.
Felix, Ale ti out is Felix. Ale. Say free a wu. Pepper Ale say chire me. Ale ti out.
Para. Osan fo bi na. Osi ba obi obedi president na ya he no. Sana no kuku ni na person na sorry dan esima no. Na ni nua na be che no wa ha no. Hey, oh much.
Ni opan se ohun. Onu no ohua free mpanyimfo no. Ho se binum Ghana factories no mo de ya asore. Na dwen ni say e bi oba support NPP a. Ye nso so ye beda ni Ghana property ama no. Ye be ton ama no cheaply. Na onu so de aya asore. Na ni tiri anye ye. NPP de ye nya sa ye nton Ghana property. Ye sa no NDC for eno ye NDC for stock in trade. TroUble diversity what kind of diversity whatever program. Ye ton kuma factories ni. Ye ton warehouses ni we no. To the okwa warehouses asofo ni bebre be ka panyimfo no me mumo.
Yeah. Big ones no. Yeah.
If you know so age airport asase. Asin sori da ya kese. Akwa na ono ji airport asase no gina ho ende onu shukem. Onyankam. Oh, 2 days ago.
Abro nye bia no. Owusu.
Me see 2 days ago. Oh, no Paula do much the crab boy.
Oh, well, and na san go to me the send Mr. Man can me bo.
Mama come out.
Mama na me mo. Nka me bo we wi na ma bo enu ato aso.
Me ba onu so ni abre ebru nia. Nia pa. Osi small boys na wan yedma. Omo anyedma mo be ye pol. Omo wie sika, omo yire no nkasa nkyere omo no. Omo nyina omo di sika na pa yare ye. Oni be twehwe yare ye. Oh, mama nko ye erade hefa na sei. Enra pa na do ma kire kra de ye program. Onu se airport asase ina onu so giye. Anu so NDC. Eti na Owusu Bempah so dwen se onu susu nkana na do ni NPP yesu ye fa oman asase e bia ma no. Ana oman warehouse. Na ye de becha no. Wudi se ye rada na do danko akufu ado de la lie so de be ma de nye de be fie se nyina ye di. Eti kwa na se no. Right. Tinabufu ni nyina no. Mami pe. Mami pe ba.
But the farmer, me na bo we and am the to aso. Me pa to wan enim beduko bi aso me pese me come no 50 Ghana elect American is a collection. Weekend di wa obetumi akọ na sorry ho no. So for na nti wo se asofo ni na mo na musi modan na nchanga dey o se dey.
Your party to build auditorium for you. What kind of man of God are you?
Tell me.
Sheep man.
Hey.
And now you come
position ni bebre nso wa since ya yeto aba ye di afio kon nanim you to no be from one mo nfa message nso a on reply no eti no empanifo ni bebre wo ho a on hwe ni yie e wo NDC aban mu most of empanifo no won nyinya positions ni bebre no bebre hwe ni yie because ama boys no bebre kasa yes sebe ye eat uti na wan kasa ho a
wan kasa uti wan
thank you ye you are born eti abufu wo kurom no osofukum chacha no kura pa na meka kesi ni ade no because eto da bia obi timi fra me na ade we kura ye ne ye se yeah any ade ye fra ho a If you man more vice president abaso e wo TV kase yi so hwe me hu da vice president be hu me call I won frame me back vice president professor Jena no Opoku Adman me hu da so why you busy said dem kora ade ye che obe frame me ade ye che oni be kasa me ba etesen so I say the way am I me be kasa na Mr. Julius Debra won hu me call said den but nipa bebro wa yesi ye bo ondin wo fidie we so a everything more you
ntina man ko funu buo
etina men ko funu buo funu
no ba sabe ku cha ke kwa be man ko fo buo
da bi o
who vice president of Farco who chief of staff of Farco etino o bo ma baso enkofo bi so from on so mfa many am telling you the other
why you mama ni wa no won a frame me a won di nem so mama no enya won amabo won din me kire mu say
when he comes to tell us that maybe with the benefit of hindsight and with coming into the position and with knowing what he knows now, he shouldn't have done what he did. So that all of us learn lessons from it. Then when you are somewhere, you have to be extremely careful when you are talking about other people in certain positions, because one day you can be there. Honorable some person coming to tell Daniel to do anything in connection to
acknowledge openly that much of Europe and the United States have been built from the vast wealth harvested from the sweat, tears, blood, and horrors of the transatlantic slave trade and the centuries of colonial exploitation. Maybe we should also admit that it cannot be easy to build confident and prosperous societies from nations that for centuries have their natural resources looted and their peoples traded as commodities. For centuries, the world has been unwilling and unable to confront the realities of the
innovations. Hey, Baba Sadiq, 3 music award. And this war went to me and get 3 music award. Onwa Baba Sadiq no, na by one went to me and get 3 music award. It took Nanado's government, stable electricity, more people coming into the country, so there is entertainment that has to be there. Now you to me organize the boys say.
Baby, wow! It's a bunny down you got away day. But it's when you are below. Next time, me, I want to be careful. Me, the man, your boot. Nimpana, Ian, papa, Abaka, Ian, Bonob, Yanabon. No, can't, no way without in a yay. Ah, no, I'm a Mikobun, a dana, me a toguni. Would I see in Suma Buga as a Yagano, and I'm a Budan, me a toguni. Nyam Ghana, you know, Budan. Nya, national development in Temi Budano. We must be bold so that Obirija, when that politics, they are reward and punishment. So once I can reward now, you can get the punishment.
Now say Marcus.
Magda Daniel and never grab on Magda. They never grab on Trugusio.
NPP fast. Yes. When Jano Yagani, Magda Magda Daniel never grab on Vida Home. Yeah, you never grab on Magda Vida Home. Next time you got to a bar, NDC on him, don't mind me, moon to Munkada BB down, but all your mistake no question down be.
And I mean, no Cassay, me no Cassas here, Casua on Mendra. A police a coach where you ubikunu, dear Sema, Asuma Negation to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days. What Bonnie Union Suman and Yahono and Romocofano. President Mahama first one or buy a part 1. Ugu aware bebre through dum so. Part 2, sisi osanso ugu aware through aviator, electricity prepaid aviator, wakofa di aba beto yeso.
Na president mama oba wa kramita bi.
Na on kramita man na akufo at the time na say na etua electricity wa hanum. Sa na eto prepaid ukroma. Wonko a oba ensema okan wo ka kire say obe man cheap electricity. Oba ya wo di akọ 28 ahen water and then kwofo nchichire ice block enso ayesine so mo ye vortic e wo mu fie aden pin koso wo man mu ko nkofo brown ebre kyerɛ sɛ dum so asanso unity ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ adenta kyerɛ hɔ no nkofo the light da dum so mu 24 hours yɛn so am light. What is happening in this country? ɛna ne yɛ kasa mo so me yɛ ka aso obi asuro papa no wɔ kurom ha obi asuro President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani ni bi sɛ wasɛm President Akufo-Addo ne John Mahama wan na yɛ pani